Niacinamide Vita Act capsule. This is the
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali. If you don't know, kung bago ko lang sa account ko, hi. If you're wondering kung bakit ako nagvo-vlog ngayon, it's because I decided to revive this account. Sometimes there are stuff that I want to talk about bukod sa perfume. Today is February 11. Quick big update lang about my life. I resigned from work. Dentsu is an amazing company, and honestly, kinakabahan ako mag-resign. Pero I think it's a bigger space and a bigger opportunity to focus on content or maybe rest for a while, pahinga ng onte, tapos ewan ko, trabaho ulit bilang as an alipin ng salapi. Mamaya, meron kaming live with Accords for Telo's newest perfume launch. I am so excited, pero kakain muna ako kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Kain tayo! I don't know if unpopular opinion to, pero first time ko matry yung Caesar salad ng Wendy's. Yung dressing, sobrang lasang bawang. Sobrang lasang bawang tea. Medyo nagulat ako ng very light.
Cottagey, woodland kind of vibes to the stark contrast of Rumble. It was concepted and probably mood boarded.
Maliligo na sana ako, pero may dumating na package, and I think first time ko makakuha ng package from Parfois. And ang laki, I'm so excited. Every time na nakakakuha ko ng brands na first time kong maka-work or maka-interact, I'm always so excited. So mag-unbox tayo ng very quick. Their intro is, for every frame, a different feeling. Since you capture so many beautiful moments, we wanted to give you 6 ways to bottle them. So these are 6 fragrances. Let's check these out. Wala silang notes, so I'll just go through them one by one very quickly kasi kailangan ko ng maligo. First is Mystery. Cute, a bit green, aromatic. I don't think dupes though. I think this is their own fragrance. The second is La Nuit Intense. Tama ba? La Nuit Intense. Oh, I didn't know na Parfois pala is an international brand. Ooh. Ganda ng bote. Para siyang mamahaling skincare. Oh my god, nahulog. Muntik na mahulog. Very expensive shampoo. Alam mo yung shampoo sa mga shampoo na mahal na nabibili mo lang sa salon. Ganun yung amoy niya. Very powdery, floral lang atake. I think these are safe buys. Very cute. La Nuit Dernier.
La nuit dernière.
Every time nagsispray ako ng pabango, I really appreciate kung maganda din yung bote. I think all of us do. Some don't parang wala silang masyadong pake. Kung maganda ba yung bote, I really do. Parang kung yung La Nuit Intense mas floral, I think ito may onting fruits. Parang dark grape, parang plum, parang ganong kulay. O baka na-associate ko lang siya sa kulay na Dreamy Dusk. I'm not sure if ito ba yung anim ba itong lahat ni-release nila all at the same time or bago ba yung iba. Oh, ang laki nito. Ito naman may onting explanation, captures the true essence of sophistication, ode to timeless beauty and all. So, very mayamang tita in a good way. Titang naka-pearls. Sinospoil ka nung bata ka kasi mayaman siya. Hindi siya cute, very siya, elegant, put together woman. This is La Boheme. Wala siyang explanation. Gaganda ng bote in fair, the bottles are very cute. Cute to! Oh wow, cute to. It's a bit sweeter. Medyo gumugurmand siya ng onte. So far, this is my favorite. Medyo lang din siya. Medyo, I think, white floral leaning. And last, I think ito yung favorite ko, Le Violet. I hope this is a violet floral. Fruity floral. Wala masyadong violet. But it's cute. It's called The Basics. And I think it captures that really well. So far, ang favorite ko is La Boheme and Dreamy Dusk. Thank you so much, Parfois. Kakatapos ko lang maligo and gusto ko na ikwento sa inyo very quick kung bakit ako nag-resign and kung anong plano ko moving forward if you guys want to know. Currently, 4:15 na and ang call time namin is 5 p.m. Ayos, diba? Mabilis lang to, super bilis lang. I have my skincare here with me. Ang ganda ng skincare ko ngayon. Can I just say, sobrang ganda ng skincare regimen ko ngayon. These are all for barrier protection, for dry skin. I have very dry skin. Parang ang sikip ng balat ko ngayon. So I'm going to use this Haru Haru Wonder Essence. Sobrang ganda niyang milk silky toner. Para siyang yung road glazing nut ba yun? So, one reason kung bakit ko din gustong umalis. Actually, hindi naman siya biglaan. I've been doing TikTok since 2023. Pag-grow ako ng pag-grow doon. Pero kasi at the same time, hindi mo ako full-time creator. I actually don't plan on doing that pa. Pero I don't think I can do full-time na creator. Kasi I feel like wala pa ako masyadong ganong kalaking reach or like partnerships, pero meron naman. I'm so grateful for that. One thing lang is because I handled 3 jobs. Meron akong main job, may part-time ako, tapos meron akong content creation. I love this. Kasama nito yung Azelaic serum ng Anwa. Ito yung niacinamide nila. I use it parang pasalit-salit sila. I do love my job. I love the people who I work with sa job ko. Sobrang nagpo-flow lahat ng creative juices ko kapag ka-work ko sila. And I'm so thankful na sobrang in-embrace nila ako and my love for fragrance. Hindi ako nag-resign because I hate the job. Actually, nag-resign ako because I have a fear of burning out. And then, naramdaman ko na siya paunti-unti. And I wanted to rest for quite some time na. I'm also using this Anwa. Ito yung Rice 7 ceramide nila. And it's so interesting kasi tignan mo. Medyo malagkit siya. It keeps my skin very hydrated. And especially kapag naglalagay ako ng makeup, ang ganda niyang base for makeup. It's tacky, pero it leaves your skin so glowy. Tapos I end it with the Ilion Ceramide Cream. Sobrang game changer. Sobrang laki ng in-improve ng balat ko with my dry patches. Sobrang ganda ng improvement ng skin ko dito sa cream na to. Sobrang godsend. Sana matagal ko na siyang nalaman. I plan on resting for a month. And then, who knows, baka after quite some time. Pero ang plano ko, 1 buwan talaga maximum ko. With makeup, sobrang simple lang. I just want my skin to be very parang equal. And my favorite concealer / color corrector is itong Essie na color corrector in the shade Medium Peach. Sobrang perfect sa balat ko, as in. This is my favorite. Sobrang natural blush. Don't know, dark, deep winter ako. And this is so nice. This is Trans by Sunny's Face. Ang ganda niya. Para siyang muted mauve. Diba? Sobrang pink niya dito sa camera. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-pink. Maniwala kayo sa akin. I just added my favorite setting spray. Ito yung Essie. And my favorite powder, yung Laura Mercier Love. And then, alis na ako. Our scent of the day, this is Lira by Kazo Morati. Dinala ko to sa office kahapon, tapos na-realize ko, grabe, bakit hindi ko siya ginagamit, ang bango-bango niya. This is basically a caramel blood orange mix. So it's citrus, but gourmand, and caramelly and vanilla at the same time. I love it. Tara, nakalate na ako!
Oh no, laki ng file.
So, nasa-shoot na kami for Telo. Ito yung set nila. Sa Team Telo! Hi! Ate, magpa-retouch na tayo ng anit.
Hindi, para i-call out mo yung roots ko.
Go.
See you later, malinis.
Oh,
Malinis.
perfect. Perfect, ano siya.
Pristine.
Oo.
Ayan. Gano'ng kalaki po yung perfumes ng basket number 2? Same size lang siya, guys.
Same lang, ang difference lang, merong kasamang complete bundle and may kasamang lunch box.
Yes.
And naka-promo din yan na hanggang 9 p.m. lang.
Yes.
Technically, kung pepresyoin mo siya ngayon, parang bumili ka, tas may libre na.
Yes.
Kaya sobrang, for me, honestly, walang halong eme, it's really worth it.
Correct.
Bang for your buck.
Tsaka each bottle is 100 ml. So,
Ah! O, di ba? Hindi
Hindi
mabasag kasi
nabasag.
plastic
yes.
siya.
But basically, Mykonos, gano'n.
Nakita ko si Carlo, hinahabol yung Grab. Ano na ako siya tumatakbo? Ay, nangyari sa'yo? Oh my God! Akala ko naman kung ano nangyari.
Bago ang vape, hindi pwedeng maiwan.
Ay, pursuit naman kita tumakbo!
Hindi po kasi makita ng ginagawa.
Good morning, everyone. It's February 12 and I think this is my last working day sa office. I'm so sad, honestly. I am sad na my stint at Dentsu is ending for the second time. I just have a big day ahead. Ang daming mangyayari. I'm going to sell some of the perfumes that I'm not wearing as much and medyo madaming ibebenta ko. Sana mabenta siya, if ever, halos sana mabenta kahit 30%. Ika nga ni Carlo, kasama ko siya kanina dito. Kahit 30% lang. Lord, please. Ayun, inintay ko lang si Iya. Ang dami kong dala. Dala ko yung bubble lamp ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, dala ko to. Ito yung bubble lamp, yung orange. Tapos, I have all the perfumes I'm selling there. And sa tingin mo, madami. Sobrang dami niya. As in, mag-hi ka!
Hi guys!
Hi,
I'm
guys.
Jasper and I'm wearing tamdal.
Hindi siya bakal, hindi siya magano. Hindi ko siya maganyan. Oh, hindi ko siya ma-fantasy. Hala, dead bat ako!
May perfume siya per se.
Sige, triple setter.
Bye.
Babalik din yan after 2 years.
Oh. Good morning, everyone. Nakakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Nakakalimutan ko mag-vlog lagi. I have no idea why. Hindi na ako sanay. Friday, uuwi ako mamaya. I just have a few stuff to finish for work. Pero after nun, uuwi ako Novaliches. I made coffee from Nespresso. I always forget to film sa Nespresso ko. Lagi ko nakakalimutan. I have all my stuff packed here. So, lahat ng panghilamos ko, skincare, shampoo, conditioner. I miss home. It's nice. Libre pagkain. Nandito yung pusa ko. Tulog siya ngayon, si Oni. Bald siya. Naoperahan kasi siya for... nagkaroon siya ng ear infection. Tapos, naging ano siya. Parang, naging medyo matamlay for a while. Tapos, binisita ko lang sila. Kasi sobrang... I know, I miss my cats. Nag-order ako ng Zeus Coffee. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi... nag-order naman ako ng Zeus Coffee before. Yung straw nila papel, as far as I remember. Tapos ngayon, tingnan mo. Yung straw nila parang pasta. Ano sa Green Hills tayo ngayon? Kakauwi ko lang. Actually, nakaalis ko lang kanina. Then, gusto ko sanang pagupit. Kaya may Green Hills muna ako. Mahal na Grab. I think pang around 700 papunta dito mula QC. Tapos, ang buti na lang yung N-Drive mas mura.